Hi guys, this is Peter Park speaking, online site hustler. Welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to introduce a new software called Vidsensation. The purpose of Vidsensation is all about generating free traffic, where basically this new amazing software is for content creators such as newbie for YouTube or social media, or let's see, maybe also blogger or website owner, even e-commerce or ebook author as well. These are all suitable because this job is all related to creating content. If you are looking for a new software to boost your business faster, Vidsensation will be perfect for you. I believe Vidsensation will make your work so easier, and Vidsensation is about to launch shortly. The launching time 17th of July, Sunday, which is today, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So please stay tuned, and I'm going to briefly show you my bonus page. What I mean by showing my bonus pages is that if you buy this remarkable software through my link, then you will get my bonuses. Okay, so I'm sharing my bonus pages here. If you look at the screen here, the page looks like this. Peter bonus bundle looks amazing, beautiful. And there's a Vidsensation. What is Vidsensation? You see Vidsensation. It looks like that. This is my bonus page. New and simple. Discover how we generate 100,000 visitors each month to annual for by legally stealing other people's video, working just 15 minutes a day. You see here is also video friendly. You see here also newbie friendly, no skills needed, no experience needed too. So if I click here, so this.
Hi, my name is Yogesh Agarwal, and if you're still struggling to generate enough traffic for your website, page, or offer, then today I'm going to show you. You can generate hundreds of thousands of free visitors.
So you can see the video what it is inside. I'm not going to go through everything. And basically, I like this software because full automation. I think this is the main point things you guys like. Commercial license, amazing, allowing you to resell these videos for your high profit. Very important thing. Very simple steps. Step 1, 2, 3. Leverage, find viral videos in your niche and add video link or update any video. Multiply 100. Multiply. Yes, step 2, multiply. With one click, our AI customize it and turn it into 100 social micro videos. And next, once you publish or schedule for months and generate free traffic 24/7. Here it is. Today I'm going to show you exactly how you can automate every aspect of this strategy. Spend just 15 minutes a day, generate as much traffic you want in any niche. Here the video 2, which is and also demo video. So this is a demo video about Vidsensation for you. So if you click here, you can see how it goes, how to set up very quickly. So that inside the product Vidsensation, the platform, exactly same as this video, and you see how to create this video inside. So it will helpful for you to understand this product easier. So okay, like this. So these are in conclusion, these things I think you can understand easily if you read these all through this one. It contains these functions into the Vidsensation. So I'm going to share my bonuses first. Basically, here look at this bonus 1, from 0 to 100 in 24 hours, which is video tutorials. I'm giving you for free. That's amazing. And second one, of course, video tutorials and 0-hour work days. At least these are all related to affiliate marketing, so hopefully you guys understand it and get helpful to go through your business web. Here also video tutorials called right hand system, which is eBay e-commerce tips. If you are interested in e-commerce area too, I think this is helpful, so that's why I share this bonuses. EZ passive, which is affiliate marketing. This also video tutorials. Basically, if you are newbie or if you are learning your business, I share some tips or interesting content so that you can elaborate to your business or make it better. This one, Google Ads retargeting tutorials, how to do remarketing or retargeting, which is good. And WordPress site full packages too. So so these are all the bonuses will be delivered automatically. If you click here, once you buy this, if you click here, then the link, this link will be shared to you. And so on. Alright, that's it. I'm going to quickly show you the current page. If you click currently, what time is it? Time is about 17th July, 7 p.m. here, current time. But when it comes to click Eastern Standard Time, now 7 a.m. So it's about 3 hours left to launch Vidsensation. Vidsensation, if you look at the if you click the link now here, then it will end up like this. It doesn't show you the sales page yet, so I'm going to show you how it is looks like inside the sales page. So basically it looks like this. These contents mostly are all similar from my bonus pages, and these are all the proofs, how the software works well. And basically what I want to show you here, if you keep going down here, it's so long. So this product is about 30 days guarantee, about 1 month. So if you don't like this product, then you can get refund within 30 days if you raised it. So there's no big issue. And also here I want to share the product price, about 17 bucks. 17 bucks, about 2 cups of Starbucks coffee, which is not that expensive, so which is cheap. And I think maybe you can skip 1 or 2 lunches or meals possible. But what I wanna say, one more thing, there's basic and premium version. If you also click also premium version, you can get my bonuses as well as these bonuses as well. These all bonuses. And also the price gap very small. Look at this, 17 and 22. The gap only $5. $5. Maybe you skip about 3 meals one day, then you can try this one. You can get more money. You can learn it how to do, and you can leverage this software and get better the result. I believe like this software looks well, and I also checked the software inside, so which is very good. So I'm saying this again, this price, where is it? The price is $17 for the basic and $22 with a lot of these bonuses, including my bonuses too. So if you buy the 17th one, you will get only my bonus, but if you buy the like premium version, then you will get my bonuses including and these bonuses together, which is so much things. I'm not sure how much you can digest it soon, but it takes time if you are start beginner. So that's all from my side. So 17 and 22, if you buy the software through my link, and I can give you my bonuses. Today's video from me, that's all. Hopefully you guys like my video, and if you are satisfied with my video, click the link down below here, and also give me thumbs up and click subscribe as well. I always appreciate your support, and also I'm going to give you more valuable information as well. Alright, have a great day. See you next time. Bye.